My name is Joanne Tanner. I am the Group CFO of Decision Inc. And in this episode, we will be discussing reducing key dependencies on Excel. As the world increasingly moves online, businesses are finding that many of their key processes can be digitized. This shift has obvious benefits in terms of efficiency and cost savings. However, one potential downside is that it can create dependencies on specific software programs, particularly Microsoft Excel. For example, if a company's pricing formulas are all stored in Excel, then anytime there is an issue with the program, it can have a major impact on the business. To reduce these kinds of dependencies, businesses should consider storing important data in more robust and user-friendly databases. By doing so, they can minimize the risks associated with any single piece of software. In addition, they may find their overall operations become more efficient in the process. Join me on the next episode, where we will be discussing building continuous forecasts to manage rising costs and supply chain complexity.